Individuals are unique and valuable. Connectivity, the fundamental law of the universe, prevailing and everlasting, interweaves between all things. C60 UAV M710 Docking Station UAV Cloud System Intelligent Interconnection builds the Innoflight Automatic Flight System, explores unknown boundaries, and creates more responsibilities. C60 UAV. Inspired by the character Kunpeng in Chinese mythology, the C60 realizes unique and ingenious structural design and achieved the perfect integration of fixed wing and multi-rotor, highlighting the stability and flexibility integration, and winning many international awards, such as the German Red Dot Award and the American Good Design Platinum Award. 55 meters maximum flight time, nearly 100 kilometers per hour flight distance, 12.8 meters per second maximum wind resistance, 6-way binocular 360-degree obstacle avoidance, IP45 protection capability, 15 kilometers per second maximum transmission distance. In addition, the C60 supports seamless switching to 4G, 5G, ensuring stable and unobstructed signals in complex environments. The C60 offers a payload capacity of up to 1.5 kilograms. It supports flexible replacement of multiple payloads for diversified application scenarios. Equipped with self-developed 2/3 lens pan tilt camera, the C60 has high competence in diversified scenarios, such as daytime inspections, nighttime operations, and infrared temperature measurement. Built-in smart parachute guarantees the flight safety. With positioning fusion of dual RTK and visual recognition, the C60 can identify risks and provide protection, ensuring flight safety. Built-in AI Edge computing module offers computing power up to 21 TOPS, supporting AI front-end recognition and making problems visible in UAV cloud system synchronously. With open SDK interface, we expect to collaborate with industry partners and build a prosperous ecosystem together. M710 Docking Station perfectly matched with the C60, realizing unmanned, automatic flight, 120 seconds automatic battery swapping, and swift data download. It has unique side door design for internal equipment protection, integrated temperature control, meteorological and monitoring system, and IP55 high protection capacity. Regardless of day and night severe weather conditions, it performs the tasks with a high sense of responsibility and uninterrupted protection. UAV Cloud Platform, approved by the Civil Aviation Administration of China for operation as the pilot, integrates strong functions of drone dispatch, flight scheduling and professional applications, realizes flight path planning, flight scheduling, data management and analysis, algorithm services, and closed-loop business management, demonstrating the high competence in each flight missions and powerful software capabilities, supporting the intelligent inspection of equipment, comprehensive urban management, emergency response and other diverse scenario applications. Innoflight Automatic Flight System competently manages all-day, high-frequency and multitasking application scenarios. It offers a maximum flight distance of 100 kilometers, meets the long-distance inspection needs of power transmission and distribution lines, rivers, highways, and other linear structures. It has strong endurance in 55 minutes, offering a perfect solution for high-frequency grid-based inspection scenarios, such as urban comprehensive management. When emergencies happen, the C60 swiftly arrives at the scene at the speed of 27 meters per second. It supports hover monitoring in 40 minutes, assisting in rescue operations stressfully. Keeping going forward with the regional aspiration, dedicated in offering more solutions. That's the goal of us, the mission of our products. Innoflight's automatic flight system is always on the road for exploration and progress, creating more achievements and possibilities.